Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you have been scrolling online, seeing people make money from their phone or laptop, and you are wondering, is this actually real? Can I do it too? Well, today I am breaking down how you can start earning money online, even if you have zero experience. And no, I am not talking about scams or get-rich-quick tricks. These are real methods people are using right now. Stay with me until the end, because I am going to share my personal favorite method that helped me earn my first dollars online. And trust me, it is easier than you think. First up is freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even manage social media, there are people out there ready to pay you. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients from all over the world. When I started, I offered small jobs for $5, and it added up quickly. The key is to build a simple portfolio, even if it is just sample work you made yourself. Second is content creation. You can start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page in any niche. Gaming, cooking, tech, or even daily tips. Once you grow an audience, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It is not instant, but if you post consistently, you can turn it into a real business. Third is selling products online. This could be physical items like t-shirts or handmade crafts, or digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easy. I have seen people earn hundreds just selling one simple digital product, created once and sold forever. Fourth is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product and earn a commission for each sale. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Share the product link, and if someone buys, you get paid. It works best if you have an audience or a blog. So there you go. 4 legit ways to start making money online. Remember, it is not about doing everything at once. Pick one, focus on it, and grow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and tell me in the comments which method you are going to try first. See you in the next one.